Scan for SOVI, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Absolute convergence determines if a series remains finite when we ignore alternating signs. Let us solve this tricky calculus problem in under 60 seconds right now. Absolute convergence means the series of absolute values must converge. We ignore the alternating sign and focus on the magnitude of each term to see if the sum remains finite. Options A, B, and C fail because their terms do not approach zero or they behave like divergent p-series. Only option D, a geometric series, has a ratio less than 1. Since the geometric series with ratio 1/2 converges, the original alternating series converges absolutely. This confirms that option D is the only correct choice among the given series today. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Avoid confusing alternating signs by using the ratio test to verify the absolute sum instead.